I recently purchased the Prusa Mk3 for necessary uses in my Nerf products that I will be making pretty soon. I will be printing out parts to sell and mod parts and stuff like that. So because I bought the Prusa Mk3, I got the kit version because it's $300 cheaper. And so today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing to show you guys what's in the box and what you get with the Prusa Mk3. Alright, so I'm going to... So you want to make sure when you're cutting this that you have your blade on the smallest setting, so that way if there's anything directly underneath, you're not going to cut it. Alright, so after you open up the box, I see... What? Next, congratulations on getting the brand new original Prusa printer. Then a bunch of random stickers. A book called the 3D Printing Handy Book, which you can also get from their website, which I already have on email. Then, let's see, you got a wire to connect your printer. Then you got your receipt. Then you have the real stuff inside the box. So let's open this and fold this out so we can see. We got our intense, the most valuable part of it. Bubble wrap. So now we got the box. This is what controls the printer. USB. Plug it in here. And this is like the main box to do everything on the printer. And you have more of your favorite bubble wrap so you can pop later. And then you have the Y-axis. Then you have some more stuff. I'll open this in a second. The box is empty. So this can be put over there for later. Now let's look at what we got so far. So here is our first box. This is something. Let's open this. Okay, this is all our bars and our tubing for our filaments. Then we have all our wiring. So this is all, from what I can tell, there's no soldering needed. It's already all put together. You just have to plug in the little pieces together to hook it up. Great job from Prusa. And here, okay. And here, oh, here's all your parts. These are printed. These are 3D printed. So a bunch of parts that you'll need for assembly. A vent hood, more parts, and more parts. I'm just gonna throw all this stuff back. All right. So in this box we have some screws, some wiring, there might be soldering involved. Then we have more wiring. This is a USB with some connector I'm not sure of right now. More screws. So this is more of like the hardware box from what I can tell, because we just pretty much got screws and everything. And guess what? Something you should really look forward to. You'll be given 4 different size Allen wrenches, a pair of pliers, and a screwdriver. All things you really want for $500 whatever dollars. Alright, then we have something in here. I think it's screws. PLA in Galaxy Black and Prusa Galaxy Silver. We only have 25 gram spools, so not sure. Some string. I'll keep this for later. Then we have more stuff. In this box we have hardware. I'm guessing it opens like this. I was correct. Let's see what's in here. So we have bubble wrap, obviously, for our bed. Then we have the body of the printer. Pretty cool Galaxy Black. Looks really nice. So that is all our boxes, and that is all the parts that you get when you buy the Prusa Mk3. So just check to make sure you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes when you buy it. Make sure you have your gummy bears in there. And just so you know, it is my birthday today, and the package arrived on my birthday, which is pretty cool. So that is it for the Prusa Mk3 unboxing. See you later.